Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Angel Rodriguez. I'm from CAU Bogotá. I'm going to show you my research proposal. Learning and teaching of EFL to deaf students and teachers formation. The context is this is a case study. It's going to be located in Colombia, in the capital city Bogotá, pretending to identify children in scholar ages from 5 to 17 years approximately. It's students that use hearing aids, cochlear implants, or any other device that help them to listen. On the other hand, the main characters are teachers and pre-service teachers in Bogotá due to the huge challenge to teach deaf students, even more with the factor of teaching a second or even a third language. Here we can see this is a table. Well, we can see in this part the percent of students that are in schools in our country. All right. Also, on the part of teachers, we can see that we are not really well prepared. We don't have formation in universities. I was comparing 3 pensums of different universities. This is our pensum of our university. We can't find a subject or a specific subject that teaches how to teach EFL to disabled people. I also was seeking in Distrital University Pensum and La Salle University Pensum. The only one that I found was Distrital University that has a subject as electiva that is for teachers to teach and to handle with disabled students. First of all, I would like to show you what is a cochlear implant. This is a device that allows deaf students of deaf people to listen. Why it's really important this topic for this project? Because in Colombia is increasing the deaf population, and also students they every day want to get more opportunities to study and to learn. This is according with a projection made by the DANE with the census made in 2005. That was the last census, and this is the projection for 2020, and this is a taken from INSOR. Well, what is the research question? How is EFL taught in deaf students in primary schools in Colombia, and how is teachers formation? The research objective: to reflect about the training of pre-service teachers in teaching a foreign language to deaf students. What is this proposal important? To recognize deaf students' needs, learning a foreign language, to revise EFL teachers' formation. The purpose of this documentary revision is to recognize the needs of deaf students to learn a foreign language as English, where even though there are regulations and policies in our country on how to guarantee their education, there is a very poor knowledge on the part of teachers, principals, educative entities, etc. To apply those regulations to real-life context. Also, to revise how English teachers are being trained in different universities in Colombia to recognize how are they learning to teach to a deaf student. In general, the purpose of this is to be aware of weaknesses in teaching English as a foreign language to deaf students in primary schools in Colombia. Here we find the literature. I read an article called Teacher. Can you see what I'm saying? In this article, we could identify, well, I could identify that was really important for deaf students also to feel included in our society, and this is an opportunity for them to also overcome their goals. Deaf students consider English quite important to feel as equal members of hearing society that uses English as a tool to grasp the world. They appreciate the opportunity to take an English course, interact directly with the teacher and their peers, and show a positive attitude towards the learning process. Also in that article I could find that internet resources as support of the development of English course designed for deaf university students allow the exploration of all the resources that technology provides to enrich their knowledge. Also they could work with more partners, collaborate, and it was a very good influence in their English learning process. It was an effective way of making the English teaching process more practical and dynamic. The research design. I focused the research design in the research field 2, the study of English language and in context, in the macro project number 2, understanding and characterizing EFL, and in the LLIE, experiencing and phenomena in the pre-service teachers' educational context, and in the sub-project third, understanding English teaching and learning context in EFL education. This is the research design and the correlation. Those are the references. That's it. Thank you so much.